Grinding or clenching your teeth, known as bruxism, is something that you really need to pay attention to, as it has a lot of side effects that could affect not only your tooth, jawbone, gums, TMJ, but also can affect your lifestyle and your overall health. And the reason is that being said is because when you grind your teeth, you take out the first layer, the enamel, the protector layer, and get to the dentin. And dentin becomes very sensitive to hot, cold. So when you eat hot and cold stuff, you'll have these zingers. And not only that is when you grind your teeth, not only you do wear out the enamel, but you also can push the bone away from the teeth and make the gum recede around and causing periodontal disease. And if you have crowns or bridges, you can loosen them up. And if you have dental implants, you can break the dental implant or the dental implant screws and the pieces and the parts that go with it. And not only that, when you are a severe grinder, you could have TMJ problems such as popping and clicking in the jaw, or the ability not to open so much. So your mouth opening will have a limited opening, and then you can't eat certain foods. Like patients say, I can't bite into a burger anymore just because simply I can't open my mouth big enough. And the reason is that being said is because the muscles get into a spasm from the excessive forces that you put on. And last but not least, these excessive forces can cause a severe tension in the muscles surrounding your face right here, especially in the temporalis area. And when you use these muscles and abuse them, you could have severe tension headaches that would really affect your lifestyle. So if you think you're a grinder, or you've been told that you clench and grind your teeth in your sleep, you might want to talk to your dentist and then see if there's any treatment options that they could offer you. Dr. Al-Mazra here, prosthodontist from Dallas, Texas. Make it a great day.